Today I am making delicious fluffy potato pancakes. There's something between regular crepes and potato fritters. For this recipe, take 350 grams of potatoes, peel them and cut into large cubes. Place the potatoes in a pot and pour in hot water from the kettle to speed up cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until soft. Drain half of the water from the pot. While the potatoes are still hot, add 300 ml of milk and whisk well until smooth and creamy without lumps. For this recipe, you'll need 2 eggs. I used large ones with double yolks. Add 1 dessertspoon of sugar without a heap and 1 teaspoon of salt, also flat. Pour in 80 grams of vegetable oil. Whisk everything again for about a minute until smooth. Then add 160 grams of flour. If the butter seems too thick, add a bit more milk. If it's too thin, add a little more flour. Mix well and let the butter rest for about 40 minutes. After resting, the dough becomes elastic and easy to stretch. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave it to rest. Lightly grease the pan with vegetable oil. The butter now feels lighter and more elastic. Pour some into the center of the pan, making sure the edges don't tear. The pancake should come off the pan easily. Then gently flip it over. You'll get a beautiful golden crepe. Flip it again. And one more time. Now you can see the pancake starting to rise. Steam collects inside, making it puff up. When you flip it, it deflates, then rises again. It's so fun to watch. It looks like a giant pillow. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Once we remove it from the pan, it quickly deflates. That's because the steam inside cools down and escapes. Let's cook the next one. The key is to make sure there are no holes, so the steam stays inside and makes it puff up beautifully. It turns out like a soft round ball. I want to show you why you shouldn't rush when flipping it. It might look ready, but if you flip too early, the butter will tear and break apart. Wait just a few more seconds. Now it flips perfectly. But this time a small hole appeared and the steam escaped. I pour in the last bit of butter and fry it until you see little bubbles and the surface is no longer wet. I don't rush. I flip gently and everything turns out perfect. These pancakes are so delicate, soft and airy like little clouds. I already tried one just to tell you how tender and delicious it is. They melt in your mouth, light and fluffy like cotton. Make these potato pancakes and treat yourself and your family. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.